Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft Train Showcase, where we look back at some older builds that our newer subscribers might not know we've done on the channel here. And this is the ICM Koploper, which is a famous and unique train from the Netherlands. And it is a full passenger train here, and is known for this unique, almost airplane-like cockpit on the top. And as with all my builds here, you can go to the interior and actually climb up in the driver's cab up here on top. And the interior is, of course, full, so we can come through here, and we have all the passenger seating in here. And remember, if you want to build this train in Minecraft, we do have a tutorial up for it already on the channel. I'll have that video linked in the description here. So I just wanted to show this off to everyone in case anyone wanted to build it here. And you can walk through the whole train through all the different cars. But I just wanted to show that off. So like I said, check out the tutorial video on the channel if you want to build this train. So this has been our little tour of the ICM Koploper train. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.